In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Calendar. If you want a fast way to track upcoming earnings, economic events, IPOs, and more, the calendar tool pulls everything into one organized view so you can prepare your trades with confidence. First, open the platform. You can launch it in your browser or desktop app. Once it loads, you'll see the main workspace. Give the page a moment to fully populate so real-time data syncs correctly. Next, head to the top navigation and go to Tools, then select Calendar. This opens a dedicated panel focused on time-based market events. On the left, you'll see controls and filters, and on the right, you'll see a timeline of results that updates as you refine your view. If nothing appears at first, that usually means your current filters are too tight. Don't worry, we'll adjust those in a moment. At the top of the calendar panel, choose a calendar type from the drop-down. Pick the feed that matches what you're researching. For example, the earnings view highlights upcoming and recently reported earnings, the dividends view shows X dates and payment schedules, and the IPO view tracks offerings and pricings. You can switch between types at any time, and the results will refresh instantly to reflect that focus. Now let's filter results so you only see what matters. Start with the ticker field if you're tracking specific symbols like AAPL or TSLA. Type the symbol and confirm it, and the list narrows to events tied to that company. Next, set a date or date range. Shortening the window to this week or this month keeps the feed actionable and loads faster. If your research is thematic, use the sector filter to focus on areas like technology or healthcare, which is helpful ahead of a broad catalyst in that space. Finally, refine by market cap to separate large, mid, and small caps. This is great when you want predictable liquidity from mega caps, or you're hunting for volatility in smaller names. As you combine filters, keep an eye on the count of results so you know you're neither missing opportunities nor drowning in noise. If the list gets too sparse, loosen one filter at a time. If it's still too busy, tighten your date range or add a second criterion. That's the entire workflow. Open the platform, go to Tools and Calendar, choose the calendar type, and filter by ticker, date, sector, and market cap. With a clean, focused feed, you'll be ready to plan entries, manage risk, and stay ahead of the next catalyst.